Hey Oak Grove, I'm here with the cast of Hairspray to talk to you about something very important.
And for our show Hairspray, we are wearing big foam wigs as part of our costumes, and it's really fun.
But there are a lot of kids out there who need to wear real wigs because they've lost their hair due to a serious medical condition.
To help those kids out who need real wigs, we are supporting Locks of Love. Locks of Love gives free wigs to the kids who have lost their hair due to a serious medical condition.
We want to invite everyone with long hair at OGM to join us in helping out.
And helping is easy. All you need to do is have at least 10 inches of hair to cut and donate.
Hey, just go to the OGMS website for further details on how you can help.
And don't forget to come see Hairspray March 23rd, 24th, and 25th.
Is this where I come for the Locks of Love donation?
Do you have to be in every commercial?
Oh, girl, please, don't hate me because I'm beautiful.